If you want one of the most playful cat scratchers I've ever come across, you are going to love this Mona Lisa cat scratcher I was just gifted. Straight on, it looks like an image, especially if a cat is not inside it. But when they hop in, it has a scratch pad. It's a super cozy, inviting little spot for them to hide in, and it's just so much fun. And over time, if you need to, you can replace that scratch pad, and it does come with a few other designs as well if Mona Lisa doesn't fit your style. Now, this did require some assembly. I had to glue the frame together and put together the cardboard sides and then just add in the inserts. It was really easy to do. It has double-sided tape and super glue holding it all together, but once it's together, it's quite sturdy. And as you can see, my cat doesn't want to get out of it. I can tell that this would be a great little spot for him. Obviously not on the center of my dining table, so now I have to figure out where I'm going to put this, as he has not left it since he got in. But one thing to keep in mind is while it looks really fun from the front, it is a simple cardboard box otherwise. So if you look at it from the side or the back, it really is just a cardboard box. So if you want to decorate it more, you definitely could. Or this would be really nice if you had like a tall bookshelf or something like that you could tuck it into so it wouldn't be so obvious, because straight on, it is so cool. I love all the gold detailing and etching to make it really look for fun like a realistic painting. This front piece is a thick piece of foam that's stuck on that should hold up really, really well. These side pieces aren't going anywhere. And like I said, the bottom scratch pad, which you can see here close up, is just this great standard size scratch pad. So if you need to replace it over time, really easy to do. This is one fun cat scratcher. So if you are looking to add some style to your cat's toys or want to gift this to someone, this is really cool.